Here we have Badger Bob and a Badger Bob production.
Don't make me edit too much of this shit out. Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fall a tree where you want it to go. I'm going to cut a notch, show you how a notch is supposed to look, and I'm going to show you what the felling sights are on the chainsaw, because a lot of people don't even know chainsaws have felling sights, but they do.
Safety first, everybody.
Okay, we got a brush pile here. Got a poplar tree about 30-35 feet high. I just wanted to land in the brush pile. The felling sight on this chainsaw, this is a Husqvarna. This line right here, these two lines, and this line, turn the saw over, the line continues with this line. Those lines are the felling sights for the saw. When you're cutting with the bottom of the bar, the tree should go where those lines are pointing. Here we go. Now that's a nice clean notch. There's no undercuts in it anywhere. That's what a notch is supposed to look like. Okay, now for the back cut.
Success.
Alright, come on over here. That's what it looks like when you're done. I had this much holding wood, or hinge wood. The tree bent on the hinge wood. She went right toward the brush pile, right where it's supposed to be. That's it.
That is not a fail, everybody. That is a win.
That's not a fail.